Hello and welcome back everybody. For today's video I've swapped the snooker cue for the chainsaw. Anybody who's been watching any of my recent videos would have seen I've been back playing a bit of snooker. So we're back out at the site today, obviously with the chainsaw. We're way behind dropping some of the trees, but we're lucky we've got favourable conditions today. It's dry, there's no rain forecast until this evening. There's no wind as well, which is always good when you're trying to drop a few trees. So let's get at it. Feeling a bit tired today, to be perfectly honest. Felt like a long kind of week or two at work. So we're going to start with the little 180. I'm not sure if my back can handle the bigger saw this morning, but let's get to it. Gonna need to get this other tree out of here before or the tree in the ground out of here rather. Before we drop this other one. Well, it was a nice cool morning. I say was, because I am absolutely roasted. Firewood warms you twice, right? Well, it could have been worse. It definitely could have been a lot better too. Well, we've got 4 trees down now. Not all of them very big. I've done a lot of tidying up off camera as well there. Spare you the boredom. I think we've got time to take down maybe one more. This one here. And get everything hauled over beside the car. Get it cut up. Should be good at that. 5 trees down, and this is what we've hauled out. So usually it doesn't look too much on the camera, but when you're carrying them out in short lengths over soft, uneven, kind of boggy ground, and you're not fit like me, it doesn't belong to wearing you out. And pretty sure I can feel a bit of a blister on my left toe here, so I have to get this all cut up and get it taken away here now. So we'll cut the video short at that. So yeah, see ya.